Happy Jones here from Planning with Happy J, and today we're in my mini from Monday the 20th to Sunday the 26th. And let's get started. I'm going to be using Roy G. Biv boxes and florals, and going to use some of these. Now, that's not long enough. Now let me use the corners. I think that will go very well here. And my other one, I have two dogs. I have a Chihuahua, and then I have a 4-year-old Yorkie. And her name is Susie, and she's the love of my life. I just adore her. And I just found out from the vet called me that she's not making enough platelets. So now we got to do all kinds of tests to see what is causing that. I'm worried about her. So let me see. Now, do I want to put a box down here? Yeah, I do. And let's put it right there. And then about 4 dots. One, 2, 3, 4. I couldn't get it with my fingers either. Okay, let's put her. Let's move this one up a little bit. All right, and I think that takes care of that page. Now I have an appointment on Tuesday. Let's take the dark blue. A standing appointment on Fridays. I take my dance lessons on Fridays. Now, let me go to Mini Basics. Get one sheet here. put this on Wednesday. That doesn't quite fit. And I only got one page here. Let's go back to the dots. And I'll do a couple on Monday. And let's do 3 on Thursday. Because you never know what comes up during the week. I end up with appointments all over the place. Okay, let's take this one here, and let's put it down here and cut it off. And let's do this one here and cut it in half. Let's put that on Sunday. Is that too much there? Let's put it up here on Thursday. Let's take this little one here. Let's just put it here. And cut it. And cut it. And let me look for a quote. I find a lot I like, but I don't know how it will fit. Summer makes me feel like a kid again. You know, when I find it go along the bottom line, I always get it crooked, even though the bottom line looks straight. I'm gonna have to remember to go by the top. And let's put another little one up there. Vacation mode on. I like that. Too bad I'm not on vacation. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, I have to date it. Let me get to my dates. And I have a nice purple one here. Now I see the 20th to the 26th. So '20, '21, '22, '23, '24, '25, and '26. Now, I mentioned this before, but I got those dates from my grandkids, and it's really come in handy for my minis. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Okay, there's my mini. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.